a big cheers. Soon after Delhi, Haryana reduces drinking age from 25 to 21. Pubs and bars welcome move. Alcohol consumption, legal drinking age in India, uniformity in legal drinking age are topics of hot debate. Why the legal drinking age in India varies from one state to another. The power to make the alcohol laws has been given to the states, making India the only country in the world with such a law. The Constitution of India under Article 4710 has empowered each state to bring out the prohibition of the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs. Which is why each state in India has their own laws of alcohol consumption and purchase, and every state has a different legal age, ranging from 18 to 25. Indian states where you can consume alcohol at 18 plus years of age are Goa, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Rajasthan. Waiting time increases by 3 more years to drink in Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Uttar Pradesh. In Punjab, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, no alcohol can be served to those under the age of 25. In Bihar, Gujarat, Lakshadweep, Mizoram and Nagaland, drinking is illegal. They are India's dry states. Why is different alcohol consumption age an issue? As per the current alcohol laws, a person of 21 years of age can legally consume alcohol today in the state of Jharkhand. But if the same person tomorrow goes to Punjab or Bihar, then he or she is an illegal drinker. In India, we have a uniform legal age for marriage, uniform legal age for driving, uniform legal age for voting, but we do not have a uniform legal drinking age. This creates an interstate problem. This lack of uniformity among state laws provides teenagers with an incentive to drink and drive as they cross state borders in search of lower drinking age. Alcohol is a state subject at present, but there is an immediate need to streamline this contentious issue.